Now then, greetings from Dublin Airport. Just dumped the car after finishing my road trip round part of Ireland. You can see films from that on this channel. I'm now heading into the city of Dublin, dumping my cases, and then off for a little walking tour. Hope you'll join me.
I took the local bus from the airport, very handy. It's just stopped me off by the hotel. The only issue, as of the summer of 2022, is you need to use cash to pay. Trust me, there were plenty of people at the airport having to go back and buy something they didn't really need just to get some cash for the bus. Anyway, we're here at the hotel. Well, I've dropped off the bags at the hotel. I'm now on the way into Dublin to have a little look around.
As you look at the River Liffey passing through the heart of Dublin, do me a favour, hit and subscribe. We've plenty more places to go together in the future.
Pretty much got the building, certainly as a tourist, to myself. I've got one of these, little audio tour. It doesn't cost a penny to get it, or €1 I should say. It's pretty easy to use. I just point at this number and then I can hear a narration of the history of this place. Well, that was an interesting hour or so, and it was free, which is always a bonus, isn't it? Many real historical artefacts, mostly displays, but really brought alive the history of this building, from its initial construction to how it featured in the Irish push for independence, through to its reconstruction and where it is today. And if you're looking for something to do, it's not a bad thing to do. Especially, as certainly today, it was for free.
With the custom house behind me, time now to head across the river and to find the end to this brief walking tour. Nearly there, not far to go till we find the end. Here she is, the statue of Molly Malone, bringing this brief walking tour around Dublin to an end. The next film, we'll get aboard the bus and see a bit more of the city.